welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about how I made a buddy. I'm going to be showing it to you. As you can see, I have said that they should make a sea otter buddy in Prodigy. Someone did comment on this Prodigy math player. He said sounds like something they would do in the future. So hopefully they do this in the future. They could make this look a lot better than mine, but here is mine. So as you can see, I am very bad at picture editing, just like I'm bad at editing photos. So yeah, here it is. As you can see, it has the shell in its mouth. It has eyes, which I got from the Calico Cat, I'm pretty sure. And then the face is made of the panda. Pretty much everything. You can see there's a little green over here. Prodigy could do something about that, but I cannot, because as I said, I don't know how to edit. This is just this color over here, and pretty much everything else is the panda. I found this off of Google. I'll probably put that in the description so I don't get copyrighted or something. I don't know how copyright works, but yeah, I made this. Yeah, this is going to be a short video. I guess I'll just let you guys look at it for a few seconds, even though you've already seen it. And yeah. Okay, so that's long enough. This is going, as I said, be a short video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If there are any other buddies you want to see me try and make in the future, comment down below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.